Hello everyone, today we will be looking at complete SMS and email marketing guide for Shopify. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Shopify store for marketing. Before jumping into SMS and email marketing, you first need to ensure your Shopify store is set up properly for marketing purposes. Create your Shopify account. Visit shopify.com and sign up for an account. If you are a new user, you can start with their free trial to explore the platform. Set up your store by adding product details, configuring payment methods, and choosing a theme that represents your brand. Install marketing apps. Once your store is set up, it is time to install apps for SMS and email marketing. Shopify offers numerous apps for both types of marketing. Go to the Shopify App Store. For email marketing, search for and install apps like Shopify Email, Klaviyo, or OmniSend. For SMS marketing, you can install apps such as SMS Bomb, PostScript, or Klaviyo for SMS marketing. By installing these apps, you can easily set up automated campaigns, design attractive messages, and track results. Step 2. Set up email marketing. Email marketing helps you engage with your customers through personalized newsletters, promotions, and product updates. Let's go over the setup. Install your email marketing app. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for email marketing apps. Select one that integrates well with your store and install it. For example, Shopify Email allows you to create and send campaigns directly from the Shopify platform. Build your email list. Before you can send emails, you need an email list. Here's how to build one. Pop-up forms. Use pop-up forms on your store to encourage visitors to subscribe to your newsletter. Offer a discount or freebie for signing up to increase conversion rates. Checkout page. Include an option for customers to opt in for email updates when they make a purchase or sign up for an account. Lead magnets. Offer incentives like a downloadable ebook or exclusive promotions in exchange for email signups. Create your first email campaign. Once you have set up your email list, you can begin creating your first campaign. Choose a template. Most email marketing apps offer a pre-designed email templates. Select a template that suits your needs. Customize the email. Replace the text and images with your own. Add your store's logo. Write a compelling subject line and highlight important orders or updates. Personalize by adding the customer's name or their recent purchases. Add a call to action. Make sure you add a clear CTA like shop now, claim your offer, or learn more. Automate your email campaigns. Automating email campaigns can save you time and improve engagement. Here are a few types of automated emails to set up. Welcome emails. Send a personalized welcome email when someone subscribes to your email list. Abandoned cart emails. Automatically send reminders to customers who abandon their shopping carts. Post purchase emails. Follow up with customers who made a purchase. You can ask for feedback, offer related products, or suggest reviews. Monitor campaign performance. After sending your campaign, check its performance. Open rates. See how many people open your email. Click-through rates. Track how many people click on links within the email. Conversion rates. Measure how many people made a purchase or completed a desired action. Use these insights to optimize future campaigns for better results. Step 3. Set up SMS marketing. SMS marketing is highly effective due to its immediacy and high engagement rate. Here's how to set up SMS marketing for your Shopify store. Install an SMS marketing app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for SMS marketing apps such as SMS Bump or PostScript. Install the app of your choice and integrate it with your Shopify store. Collect phone numbers. To start using SMS marketing, you need phone numbers. You can collect them with these strategies. Opt in at checkout. Give customers the option to receive SMS notifications during checkout. Make sure you get their consent by including a checkbox. Pop-up forms. Use pop-up forms to ask visitors to subscribe to SMS marketing in exchange for a special discount or offer. Text to join. Create a short code that allows customers to text a keyword to join your SMS list. Craft your first SMS campaign. Now that you have an SMS list, you can send out your first SMS campaign. Keep it concise. SMS has a character limit, so your messages need to be short and to the point. Address customers by their name if possible, and reference their past purchases or activities. Call to action. Be clear about what you want the recipient to do. For example, use code SAVE20 for 20% of your next purchase. Automate SMS flows. SMS automation can help you stay in touch with customers without manually sending messages. Welcome SMS. Send a greeting SMS when someone subscribes to your list, offering a discount or introducing them to your store. Abandoned cart SMS. Send a reminder text to customers who left items in their cart without checking out. Flash sales alerts. Notify customers instantly about limited time offers or flash sales. Monitor SMS campaign performance. Just like with the email marketing, it is important to track the performance of your SMS campaigns. Delivery rate. How many of your SMS messages were successfully delivered? Click-through rate. How many recipients click on the link in your SMS? Conversion rate. How many recipients made a purchase or took the desired action? Step 4. Combine email and SMS for maximum effectiveness. Email and SMS marketing work best when used together. Here's how you can combine both to drive more engagement. Cross-promote channels. Email and SMS integration use both channels to send complementary messages. For example, you could send an email with detailed information about the sale and follow it up with a quick SMS reminder closer to the sales end. Segment your audience. Tailored messaging. Use data from both SMS and email marketing platforms to segment your audience based on behavior, preferences, or purchase history. This will allow you to send more relevant and personalized messages. Time your messages wisely. Avoid overlap. Be careful not to send too many messages at once. For example, don't send an email and an SMS about the same promotion at the same time. Space them out to avoid overwhelming your customers. Step number 5. Use reporting and analytics to improve your campaigns. Both SMS and email marketing platforms provide analytics to help you track the performance of your campaigns. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategy. Analyze your reports. Email reports. Track metrics like open rate, click-through rate, bounce rate, and conversion rate to understand how your emails are performing. SMS reports. Review delivery date, click-through rate, and conversion rate for your SMS campaigns. Make adjustments based on data. Subject line tweaks. If your email open rates are low, try testing different subject lines to see what resonates best with your audience. Timing adjustments. If your SMS response rates are low, experiment with sending text at different times of the day or week. In conclusion, SMS and email marketing are powerful tools for growing your Shopify store. By following the steps outlined above, you can effectively set up and use both channels to boost sales, engage your customers, and improve your store's performance. Always keep track of your campaign's performance, adjust based on feedback, and ensure that your messages are personalized, relevant, and timely for the best results. And that is all there is on complete SMS and email marketing guide for Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in our next video.